Students, today we learn about what is the direction cosines of a line. Here first we draw the axis. Suppose this is z axis, this is y axis and this is x axis. Here O be the origin. Let us suppose that here AB be any line in the given space. If alpha, beta, gamma be the angles makes by the given line AB with positive direction of x, y, z axis respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of the given line AB. Here we can see this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis and this is the z-axis. O be the origin. Here AB be any line in the given space, and this line AB makes angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. This line AB makes angle beta with the positive direction of y-axis. This line AB makes angle gamma with the positive direction of z-axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are the called direction cosines of the given line AB. आप देख सकते हैं ये x एक्सिस है, ये y एक्सिस है, ये z एक्सिस है, O यहाँ पर ओरिजिन है और AB एक लाइन है गिवन स्पेस में. ये AB लाइन x एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से अल्फा एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है, AB लाइन y एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से बीटा एंगल फॉर्म करती है, AB लाइन z एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से गामा एंगल फॉर्म करती है. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of the given line AB. Here direction cosines are generally denoted by L, M, N. Direction cosines of the line AB are generally denoted by L, M and N. Here angles which makes by the given line AB with coordinate axis are same made by the line OP drawn through origin and parallel to line AB. Here we draw a line which is parallel to AB and passing through O point. Suppose this is the line OP which is parallel to the line AB, and this OP line makes angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis, makes angle beta with the positive direction of y-axis, makes angle gamma with the positive direction of z-axis. So the angle made by the line AB with the positive direction of x, y, z axis are same when this OP line made by the angle with x axis, y axis and z axis. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर OP लाइन x एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से अल्फा एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है, y एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से बीटा एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है और z एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से गामा एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है. So these angle alpha, beta, gamma are the same as the given line AB makes angle with the positive direction of x, y and z axis. आप देख सकते हैं AB लाइन गिवन लाइन है, AB लाइन x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस, z एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से जो एंगल फॉर्म करती है वही एंगल OP लाइन x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस और z एक्सिस से फॉर्म करती है. So the angle made by the line AB are the same the angle made by the line OP, where OP line passing through the origin and which is parallel to the line AB. Here alpha, beta, gamma are called the direction angles of the given line AB. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गिवन लाइन AB x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस और z एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से अल्फा, बीटा, गामा एंगल फॉर्म करती है. So these alpha, beta, gamma angles are called the direction angles of the given line AB. Now we find the direction cosines of line BA equal to cos pi minus alpha, comma cos pi minus beta, comma cos pi minus gamma. And we know that cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So this is minus cos alpha, this is minus cos beta and this is minus cos gamma. Here the direction cosines of AB line are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, but the direction cosines of BA line are minus cos alpha, minus cos beta, minus cos gamma. Because the line BA makes angles pi minus alpha, comma pi minus beta, comma pi minus gamma with positive direction of x, y, z axis respectively. Here we can see that this line OP dash makes angle pi minus alpha, pi minus beta and pi minus gamma with the positive direction of x, y, z axis respectively. So if the direction cosines of the line AB are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, so the direction cosines of the BA line are minus cos alpha, minus cos beta and minus cos gamma. Now we find the direction cosines of the axes. Now find the direction cosines of the axis. So direction cosines of x-axis, since x-axis makes angle 0 degree, pi by 2 with, so x-axis makes angle 0 degree, pi by 2 with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर x एक्सिस y एक्सिस से 90 का एंगल फॉर्म करती है, x एक्सिस z एक्सिस से 90 एंगल फॉर्म करती है. सिमिलरली x एक्सेस से 0 एंगल फॉर्म करती है. So the direction cosines of x axis are direction cosines of x axis are cos 0, cos pi by 2 and cos pi by 2. We know that cos 0 this is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So the direction cosines of the line 1 0 so the direction cosines of the x axis are 1 0 0 because this x axis makes 0 angle with the x axis, pi by 2 angle with the y axis and pi by 2 angle with the z axis. So the direction cosines of x axis are 1 0 0. Now we find direction cosines of y axis. Since y axis makes angles pi by 2 0 and pi by 2 with x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. We can see from the given figure this y axis makes angle 90 degree, that is pi by 2 with x axis. This y axis makes angle 0 degree with y axis and this y axis makes 90 angle, that is pi by 2 with z axis. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर y axis x axis से 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म करती है, y axis से 0 का एंगल फॉर्म करती है and y axis z axis से 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म करती है. So the direction cosines of y axis are cos pi by 2 comma cos 0 and then cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 this is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So the direction cosines of y axis are 0 1 0. Now we find here direction cosines of z axis. Since z axis makes angles pi by 2 comma pi by 2 comma 0 with x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Here we can see that this z axis makes angle pi by 2 with x axis. This z axis makes angle pi by 2 with y axis and this z axis makes angle 0 with z axis. Suppose that this is x axis, this is y axis and this is z axis. So we can see here this z axis makes angle 90 degree with y axis, this x axis makes 90 degree with z axis and this z axis makes angle 0 degree with z axis. So direction cosines of z axis are cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 and cos 0. So cos pi by 2 that is 0, cos pi by 2 0, cos 0 1. So the direction cosines of z axis are 0 0 1. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर x एक्सेस के साथ 0 एंगल बनाती है, y एक्सेस के साथ 90 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म करती है और z एक्सेस के साथ 90 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म करती है. तो x एक्सेस के डायरेक्शन का कोसाइंस होंगे cos 0, cos 90, cos 90. That is cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2. So the direction cosines of x axis are 1 0 0 because the value of cos pi by 2 is 0 and value of cos 0 is 1. आप देख सकते हैं y axis makes angle 90 degree with x axis, makes angle 90 degree with z axis and makes angle 0 degree with y axis. So the direction cosines of y axis are cos pi by 2, cos 0 and cos pi by 2. So the value of cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So the direction cosines of y-axis are 0, 1, 0. Similarly, we can find the direction cosines of z-axis. Since z-axis makes angle 90 degree, that is pi by 2 from x-axis, z-axis makes angle pi by 2 with y-axis, and z-axis makes angle 0 with z-axis. So the direction cosines of z-axis are cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos 0. And we know that cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. So the direction cosines of z-axis are 0, 0, 1. Thank you.